Hello Facebook and YouTube. Today on How Hugh, I'm going to show you how I replaced the battery in my fob for the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, first let me tell you a couple of things about this fob. As you probably surmise, it takes a battery, but it'll still start your truck even if the battery's out of it. You just have to put it really, really close, touching just about the start button. And there's enough, I don't know if it's in a capacitor or what it is, or whether it's burned into a chip, but there's enough juice in this thing, even without the battery, if you hold it very close, to start your car. The other thing is that if you press this button, this comes out. A lot of people don't know that that's a key. It'll lock your tailgate or it'll unlock your door. You don't have a key for starting, so that won't help you there. But you do need to take this out before you change the battery. These use a standard CR2032 battery that are readily available. These are one of the more common of these types of batteries. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do after you take that out is you'll notice that there's a little slot here. Okay, a little slot there. You're going to put your screwdriver in there and you're just going to open it up just like that. Okay, this has two main parts, or top and the bottom, so that's the part with those keys on it. Set that to the side. This other part, you're going to want to take out gently. See if we can get that out of there. There we go. And that shows you where your battery is. And so pay attention to the orientation of the battery. Okay. Those don't pop out the back that well, or do they? Do these pop out the back? Not really. So let's go ahead and gently open this with a knife. Okay, let's pull out our battery. Paying attention to the orientation. These usually just pop right out. Let's see if this one does or not. Okay, that one's going to take just a little bit of wedging to get that out. The other one pops back in just like that. There's the new one. So let's put it all back together. Okay, it'll only go in one way. You'll see where the indentation for the battery is. That'll slide like that. That'll snap all back together like that. There you go. It's changed. Out.